What the absolute heck is happening? What are you... Oh, did bro just use a face to draw another face? That's brilliant. Okay, let's try it out. Let's look up Mr. Incredible's meme. Alright, perfect. Now let's draw a smegsy face. Alright. Okay, this guy has been lurking in the corner for a while. Just select this smegsy face. Let's copy paste this guy. Okay, moment of truth. Just warping it like so. Let's liquefy it a little bit. Whoa, damn. Juicy lips. Not bad. That is a face inside of a face. 11 out of 10 tip. Next, I'm lazy, so I take skin from my other drawings. You take skin? That kind of sounds worrying. But interesting. You know what? At first I was gonna be like, well, if you do that, then all of your characters are gonna look the same. But then I realized, bro, have you seen my art? They literally all look the same anyway. So yeah, let's try it out. I have this face right here. Let's find a drawing I did. Should I use this one? Nah. Okay, this one. Perfect. Alright, let's just copy paste it. Warp it just a little bit. Liquefy tool, you know? Just matching the outline. Looking good. What happens if I turn off the outline? Oh, jump scare. Okay, let's just erase these real quick and smoothen out the skin. This is actually a really good tip though. Just don't turn off the outline if you don't want to get jump scared. Are you bored because you have no friends like me? Well, let me introduce you to a game called 2 Dots. Bro, I just started playing this game on my break, but I could not put it down. I'm not even a gamer. I'm just bored out. This game was definitely what I needed. I'm not gonna lie, my small brain feels happy whenever I finish a level because it's an interesting puzzle type game where you connect, you guessed it, dots. I've been looking for a game like this, bro. Also, it has great music and aesthetic, beautiful, smegsy design. This is a great and aesthetic game to play when you want to have a break. Plus, they have weekly events like a scavenger hunt, which is like a Where's Waldo, where you can find hidden items, and a treasure hunt where you can get unique rewards. Now, it has over 115 million downloads globally, so you know it's cool. Listen, if you want a game for stress relief, this is for you. And tell your mom and grandma about it too. They'll love it. It is free to download, so you should definitely try it out. Download the game now. The link is in the description. Thank you 2 Dots for sponsoring this video. Now, on to our video. Next, this is the best 3D head/bust you'll find in the Clip Studio store. Oh damn! That looks like a BL protagonist. The best thing is free. Ooh, you sold me on that one. Okay, so this dude was kind enough to include the content ID, thank god. So you find the content ID, which is a bunch of numbers like this, and you go to the asset store, copy paste that baby, and then there we have it. Just download it real quick. So anyway, let's drag and drop real quick. Ooh, interesting. Another semi-realistic guy I sculpted in Blender. I recommend you set 3.5 perspective for these. Ooh, 3.5 perspective? I have no idea what that is, but what I do know is that when you scroll with your mouse, it's gonna change perspectives. Well damn, I think I overdid that. Hey little mama, let me whisper in your ear. I'm having too much fun. Anyway, let's just move it like this. So like when you're satisfied with that pose, just click rasterize so it becomes an image. That way you can lower the opacity like this and just trace over it. Shazam! But honestly though, I really like this model. Very zaddy model. Okay, so let's just draw real quick. Add the pretty eyelashes and then the hair, obviously. We can't let him be bald. Lastly, let's add the shadows. Okay, I don't want to work anymore. That's okay now. Okay, so let's check the before and after. Interesting. The hair, there's a lot of difference because he looked like a neck. The hair carried. That's all I gotta say. I'd say that this is a pretty great model. I would probably use this when I feel lazy. So what's happening over here? New lighting hat. Well damn, it looks very interesting. I love the glowing balls. What website is this anyway? Apparently it's AI generated too. No way bro. Don't use this website please. It uses your art to train AI to create AI art. Even if you think it's fake, it's better to careful. Did I just say he? Did I just pull a Michael Jackson? Okay, anyway, I guess this is AI generated like the caption says, and it's gonna steal my art if I used it, but okay, I'm still checking it out anyway. It is a sacrifice I'm willing to make for views. So let's check it out real quick. Okay, so let's find a drawing real quick. Damn! Look at my file names. FDSF, FDSF2. Nothing to see here, just a normal file naming system in Ohio. Okay, here's one with a white background. Let's drag and drop real quick. Okay, what is this? Image too large for SD mode. Unlock HD mode? They're probably gonna charge me like $5. Hell no, I ain't paying for that. So let's downscale real quick because I am cheap. Okay, look looking real nice. She looks like a typical ABG at a club. So apparently you can make the lights stronger. POV Christian Grey Red Room. But holy cow, the lighting looks so real. She legit looks like a real human. Like, is it the AI or is my drawing just that good? How does it look so good, bro? Okay, let's make this white and delete the ugly green color and the blue. Ooh, actually real nice. I could see myself using this as a reference. And you can adjust the distance too. Damn, even the boobas are looking real nice and juicy. The only thing though, there is this huge void. Bruh. Overall verdict, pretty good as a small reference, but don't depend on it. 6 out of 10. Thank you. Next. My art in art class. I don't know why you're using a yellow pencil to draw teeth. That is nasty AF. My art Ew! That is nasty. This is for all my trypophobia hoes out there. That is disgusting. You should be ashamed of yourself. Negative 3 out of 10. Next. Okay, so this guy is drawing a teardrop. Why would you waste your time manually drawing a teardrop when you can just get a brush in Clip Studio? So I'm like out here looking for a teardrop brush. They look bad and kinda sussy, low-key. Okay, here's a free one. Let's download it real quick. Alright, download it. Let's go to our downloads and just drag and drop. Okay. That does not look good, bro. Okay, no, just no. What the hell is this? Pretty sure people don't use this brush for teardrops, bro. I really don't like it. Let's find another one. Okay, here's a paid brush. It is worth 20 Clippy. I currently have 45 Clippy. As you can see, I'm very poor, but I'm gonna buy it anyway for the sake of this video. Let's see if this is any good. Alright, here they are. So, I don't know what to feel about this. He looks like he has an allergy. He looks like he's got chicken pox or something. It just does not look like tears, bro. This is a huge L for me. So, let's actually try this tutorial. I'm gonna try it out on this macho, muscular, buff guy because, you know, real men cry. First, we're supposed to put this dirt color on his eyes and then a lighter shade inside. And then around that, we're gonna put some red. Okay, that is ugly AF. Now we're gonna use the blur to blend that all. Bro really used the blur tool to blend, huh? That is the #1 rule that you should never do. Okay, wait, you know what? It doesn't even look like a teardrop. It looks like a worm trying to get into his eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and use Liquify to fix this mess. Actually make it look fluid. Alright, that's less ugly. Now let's softly erase the top and add a little highlight. Okay. Why the hell am I putting so much effort into a teardrop? This is like a tiny part of the painting, bro. It's literally water. Okay, now we put the shinier highlights. Okay, well, it's starting to look like water now. Finally, we add a tinge of blue. Alright, let's make his eyes red. You know what? He doesn't look like he's crying. He just looks really high. Okay, let's fix that. And some more highlights on the eyes. Alright, pretty decent. He looks really sad, like his dog just died. 10 out of 10. Fierce eyes. Okay, so you're just drawing standard almond-shaped eye. Cool. Okay, wow, we kind of skipped a few steps right here. Now we got sleepy eyes. So basically there's just more eyelid space. I mean, this isn't even sleepy eyes. It's just seductive eyes. Like, look at that. Does that look sleepy to you? I don't know about y'all, but that looks very inviting and seductive. 11 out of 10. Also guys, don't forget to download 2 Dots. It is in the description. Download it now. Thank y'all for watching. Watch this video next if you're cool, and like, comment, and share this video if you liked it. I'll see you in the next. Stay cool.